So point is, what is buffer or what is buffer solution? So buffer is a solution of weak acid and its conjugate base, or weak base and its conjugate acid, right? Now this is the example of weak acid CH3COOH, which is acetic acid, and this is the example of conjugate base of weak acid. So this is sodium acetate. This is salt. And buffer is the solution of weak base and its conjugate acid. Now this is the weak base, ammonia, and this is the conjugate acid of this weak base, ammonium chloride, which is salt. So what it does is it resists, it does not allow change in the pH. But if small amount of acid or bases are added to it, right? So how it is doing this? If there is acid added, means H plus is added, this H plus will react with the conjugate base of acid and this H plus, and it will form weak acid. Now it is neutralized as acid, so now the pH is not changed. If OH minus is added in the buffer solution, this OH minus will react with weak acid like this, and it will form salt and water. Again, this is neutralized, OH minus, and pH will not change. So in short, there will be no change in the pH if H plus and OH minus is added in the buffer solution in small quantity, and therefore is resist change in the pH. And this is actually the use of buffer solutions. They allow to maintain a particular pH. So it's like this pan. This side it's acid or base, weak acid, weak base, and on the other side of the pan there is conjugate base or conjugate acid, and it has a proper balance. And when especially pH is equal to pKa, the buffer capacity is most. So this is buffer solution, its use, how it works.